away. And as I look back on the years, memories of happiness and bitter tears. Through it all there is a common thread that cannot be ignored. You were there teaching me to be your servant, Lord. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you've led me through things that you do would make me strong. Your love has been there all along. Every joy and pain had a reason of its own. And now I realize that I was not alone. The changing seasons of my life were not left up to chance. Lord, I know